How did Chrysler create a luxury sedan with the soul of a muscle car? It had the 5.7-liter HEMI V8 that made 363 horsepower, while the SRT made 470 horsepower. The rear-wheel drive archetype shared with the Charger and Challenger, it's bold, unapologetic, and unlike anything else on the road. They have the perfect blend of luxury comfort and muscle car attitude. The V8 Rumble provides character missing from turbocharged competitors. It remains distinctly American in the automotive world, all while offering performance without sacrificing comfort. They still remain defiantly traditional. Is this the last great American luxury sedan? Share your thoughts below.